Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. We're coming to you live from the Singapore Fintech Festival, and joining us for this segment, we have Roland. He's the Executive Vice President of Marketplace Technology at Nasdaq. We're going to discuss the trajectory of marketplace infrastructure as we look into the future. Roland, it's great to see you in person on site at the Fintech Festival. Thanks so much for joining us. You head up market technology platforms at Nasdaq. Yep. What are the trends that you're seeing? What's top of mind for market infrastructure operators globally?
Yeah, it's great to be here, Jill, and it's a fantastic, vibrant festival here. But yeah, it's great to see in all marketplaces different around the world, especially post-COVID, there's this move to how do they grow and develop their markets. So 2 or 3 areas. One is how do they deal with ESG and the growth in ESG and what's coming down the pipeline in terms of government initiatives and regulations, and how that market, especially the carbon market and carbon initiatives coming out of COP26 and COP27, how that affects and how they can use that to develop their capital markets as well. That's number one. Then in terms of developing digital assets and also leveraging their infrastructure, and here you see in Singapore a lot about looking at the next wave of evolution of financial markets infrastructure, fintech, and also payments, and being able to see how do you develop and leverage the various pre-trade and post-trade systems that they have to help their economies and their capital markets evolve into that, using infrastructure and platform like Nasdaq, but also new ways of doing things, whether it's DLT or Web3.
How do you think these trends are going to impact the infrastructure operators?
Yeah, I think the infrastructure operators really need to understand how they can use their existing stack of technology, and also be able to integrate and meet the challenges of what their customers want, what the institutions want, and how the markets are evolving. So it's not a matter of throwing away what they've got, but being able to open up, have how to integrate new technologies, open APIs, and also modularized services so that they can take advantage and also provide what they do really well, which is the security, the control of managing major market infrastructure, and being able to bring that value proposition to new asset classes as well.
What about business transformation as a defining area for the decade ahead?
Yeah, I think it is radical when you look at here in Singapore and Southeast Asia, how mobile payments and also fintech has really taken the region forward. I think that really transforms the B2C and has transformed the B2C relationship. But now in terms of institutions, how they move forward on payments and also going to a world of 24/7, distributed ledger, and opening up and providing more services. So transformation is about how you can iterate and ideate quicker with both your clients and your clients' clients and understand the trends that are coming.
All right, Roland, appreciate the insight. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks, and thanks for joining me throughout the day at the Singapore Fintech Festival. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.
Okay.